Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 29th March 2026. Title of Murli. Become full of all treasures and give a vision of spirituality with your face and activity. Bap Dada said, the Father has bestowed all his children with the same treasures at the same time. While these treasures are many, the foremost is the wealth of knowledge. Enriched by this wisdom, you have become great donors, constantly sharing it with others. It is through this treasure of knowledge that souls trapped in various bondages have been liberated, transforming from being bound to being completely free. Alongside this is the treasure of yoga, remembrance, through which you have attained numerous powers. Similarly, through dharana, inculcation, you have received the treasure of experiencing all virtues. Through the power of dharana, you have acquired the strength of everyone's love, the power of being both detached and loving, and the profound experience of universal affection. Furthermore, through your divine relationships, you have experienced the treasure of limitless happiness. Yet, above all these, the most special treasure is the treasure of the confluence age-time. Further, Baba said, now, whoever sees you should behold a divine radiance on your face. To become an instrument for revelation and to reveal the Father, what must you do? Maintain a constantly smiling face, free from any worry or confusion. Bap Dada reminded you to remember two things: signal Maya to get out and experience yourself in a guest house. This world is not yours, it is a guest house, and you are destined to return home now. Let the visions of your true home be visible in your mind and intellect. Then, automatically, you will feel that you have already arrived. Finally, Baba said, this yajna has flourished and will continue to move forward through the combined cooperation of the Father and the children. You, too, are the instruments in this task. In the physical form, as soon as a direction was given, it was followed. By becoming cooperative with one another, you are all flying high. Witnessing your flying stage, Baba is immensely pleased. Blessing for today. May you be a constantly powerful soul and purify the atmosphere with your elevated attitude. Details are: those whose elevated attitude remains constantly stable cannot be shaken by any atmosphere or vibration. An atmosphere is created with your attitude. If your attitude is elevated, the atmosphere will become pure. Some say, what could I do? The atmosphere was like that, and because of that atmosphere, my attitude was disturbed. At that time, instead of being a powerful soul, you became a weak soul. Therefore, make your attitude powerful by remaining aware of your promise, and you will become powerful. Slogan is, to become an embodiment of virtues and make everyone an embodiment of virtues is to be a great donor. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Make your foundation of faith strong and remain constantly fearless and carefree. Have real love for one another, and you will never assume anything about a loving soul. Loving words, although ordinary, would not be felt as such. Words spoken lightly will feel as though those words have been spoken for some purpose. They are not meaningless or wasteful words. Where there is love, there will definitely be faith. So, in the Brahman family, have love for and faith in one another, and have a completely faithful intellect. Only then will you be able to fulfill the hopes of Father Brahma.